We studied list, tuple, set, and now we are learning dictionary. Data type with key value pair. Well, we have studied all the essential concepts of dictionary. But in many cases, we have to use two data collection data types simultaneously. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session. And in this session, we will see a use case where we can use list and dictionary simultaneously. Suppose you want to store information of multiple students like roll number, name and age. Well, storing single student information is easy. We can declare a dictionary with key number, name and age. But how to store information of multiple students? For that, we will use list. Logic is to create a dictionary of an individual student and then add that student to the list. Let's see how. Create an empty list, student underscore list. Now, write a for loop with I as counter and max range as 3. Now, write an input statement to accept roll number, name and age. Convert the roll number to int and age to float. Then, create an empty dictionary student. Now, we will add roll number, name and age to the dictionary student like this. Now, we will append this dictionary student to the list using the append method. After the loop, print the student list. Now, run the code. The program will ask for inputs. Enter the information. Well, this is our output. A list containing 3 dictionaries. When you do professional programming, this data comes from databases like MySQL or MS SQL that we will study afterwards. Now, we can write a for loop to display this output nicely. Just write a for loop, stu as a placeholder, then in and then the list variable name. This stu variable is nothing but a dictionary. Now, write a print statement to display the student details correctly and nicely formatted. Now, run the code. Again, enter the input. Well, this is our nicely formatted output. I hope you understood how to use two data types simultaneously. Well, this was all about dictionary. And along with dictionary, we have also completed all data collection data types. This is a chart for quick comparison. List declare in square brackets and can be modified. And these are its essential function. Tuples declare in round brackets but cannot be modified. Then we have set, represented in curly brackets. And these are its essential function. And last, this is our dictionary. Please practice well. Then only move to the later session. All the examples are available in this URL. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next session.